Today we've got the grand opening and ribbon cutting of our service department expansion. It's the first major expansion here in almost 15 years. It's going to be an awesome day filled with community and family and friends, and we're real excited. Been a long time coming.
This is the last building my son built as he took over. I think it's good that he came in here and saw expansion and put his dream together from what I taught him and from what he learned from all the people he surrounded himself with. And I think it's wonderful what he's doing and continue to doing, and I think it'll continue growing.
So we're helping Mr. Meyer celebrate this new facility here at his project here off Patterson Avenue. We're just trying to support our local businesses as they're expanding and growing.
Frank Meyer's Automax and the Frank Meyer's family is legendary in our business, and Tracy is certainly an innovator and a creator of great ideas, and a lot of folks are looking at him both inside the industry to benchmark, as well as the models that he's done for marketing and how he brings customers to his lot.
Through the association, I've become friends with Tracy Myers and have grown to respect his work ethic, and what he does not only for car dealers, but for the association as well.
We had this major expansion. Took us about 2 years to get there between building and permits and all that stuff, but today's the day, and like I said, we're excited to be here.
It's always fun to celebrate other friends when they continue to grow. And so I'm an entrepreneur, and I know Tracy's an entrepreneur, and so it's fun to see people kind of stepping into new things, expanding. And so anytime you see growth, it's just fun to be a part of that.
Very proud. Third, fourth generation is definitely what someone of my character would love to see. I'm very proud of Tracy, what he's done with it. He's educated himself, taught himself, surrounded himself with wonderful people. I think I was standing out here 40 years ago being interviewed, and they asked me what the most important thing was, and I said, you're only as good as the people you surround yourself with.